Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to request a PayPal refund. Whether you received the wrong item, it never arrived, or there was some other issue, PayPal makes it relatively straightforward to get your money back. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the steps in a clear, easy to follow way. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website or open the app, and enter your email and password. Once you're in, the key is to find the transaction you want to refund. Click on the Activity tab at the top of the page. That's where all your recent transactions are listed. Now, locate the specific purchase. It might be helpful to use the search bar if you have a lot of activity. Once you find it, click on the transaction details. Here, you'll see options depending on the type of purchase. For most cases, look for a button that says Report a problem or Dispute this transaction. If it's a purchase from a seller, you might need to contact them first through PayPal's messaging system before escalating. If the issue isn't resolved, go to the Resolution Center. That's accessible from the same activity page. Usually, there's a link right there. In the Resolution Center, select the transaction and choose the reason for your refund request. Be as detailed as possible. Upload any receipts, photos, or evidence to strengthen your case. PayPal will then review it and might contact the seller on your behalf. The whole process can take a few days to a couple of weeks, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for updates from PayPal. Remember, success rates are higher if you act quickly, ideally within 180 days of the transaction. A quick tip: always check PayPal's policies beforehand to ensure your request qualifies. And if you're dealing with a big purchase, consider reaching out to customer support for extra help. There you have it. That's how to request a PayPal refund. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.